Hi, my name is Clay Fazio, and I'm the Product Manager and Group Leader for the Embedded System Solutions here at Advantech. Advantech has been providing fleet management products for well over 10 years, and they've been a global leader in the manufacturing and design of embedded systems and panel PCs. Today, I wanted to introduce to you some of the products we have available for the fleet management market. The TREX 7 series is the rugged panel PC solutions from Advantech. It's available in two different sizes, the 10.4 and a 12.1 inch screen. The resistive touchscreen has an optional sunlight readable solution for viewing under direct sunlight. It also has two processor options, either a Celeron M 600 MHz or a more powerful Pentium M 1.1 GHz. Because we're utilizing a low power voltage CPU, and in conjunction with the chassis design, we have an operating temperature of -30 to up to 60 degrees Celsius. The chassis itself is a fully aluminum enclosure. It has a front bezel as well as a rear bezel, and the rear bezel being aluminum is acting as the heat sink for the entire product. Because ruggedness is so important to Advantech, we actually designed an entirely IP65 fanless solution. The IP65 means it's both waterproof and dustproof for both the top, the sides, the rear, and the front of the unit. It's also been designed with vibration and shock in mind to help minimize any impact to the unit because of vehicle use. The I/O is located on the bottom of the unit. There's two PCMCIA slots for expandability. We also have two USB, one LAN port. We also have the keyboard and mouse, and 4 COM ports. The power switch is also located on the bottom of the unit, as well as where the power adapter would plug in. The unit supports a 9 to 58 volt input. We also have firmware included that allows us to use ignition control to support power on and off delays to prevent any type of corruption to an OS or an application. The unit can be equipped with either a compact flash or a hard drive. There's also additional accessories that are available for your communication needs. GSM, GPRS, we also have GPS, as well as Wi-Fi. The antenna ports are located at the top that you can be used to plug into once you have those cards added. The next product we have is the TREX 743. This is a much smaller solution for those applications where space is more of a concern. You'll notice that it's much smaller than the TREX 775 and 776 series here. The TREX 743 has a widescreen 7-inch display. It also has digital I/O function buttons at the bottom that can be programmed utilizing our SDK. Also built of complete aluminum, just like the 7.7 series, it is a fanless IP65 product and also extremely rugged. And it also has several I/O functions available. It has a speaker, a USB port located on the front, brightness controls, as well as a microphone. On the lower portion of the unit, we have 2 additional USB ports, 2 COM ports, a LAN port, and we also have a digital I/O and CAN bus located on the bottom portion of the unit. You'll notice that there's 3 antennas. There's 1 antenna on the bottom, as well as 2 antennae on the top, which are for the optional communication devices. Again, we have the GPRS GSM solutions, GPS, as well as a Wi-Fi solution. The input voltage for this product is 9 volts to 36 volts. It also features the ignition control delay on and off power sequence. Besides the TREX product line, Advantech has several other products available for the fleet management market. I'd also like to introduce the ARC series, which are embedded computers. We have the ARC 3000, the ARC 1000, and the ARC 4000. Advantech also has an M2M solution, which is the VITA 350. We also have a DVS product line, which is for our video surveillance market, which is perfect for law enforcement. And finally, we have our Mars tablet, which is our ruggedized tablet PC solution. Whether your application is for fleet management or in-vehicle computers, Advantech has the right product for you. If you'd like to learn more about these products or other products that Advantech has to offer, you can reach us at our website at www.advantech.com. Thank you and happy travels.